In this video, guys, I want to talk about one change I made to the splash shield that goes underneath the Honda. So I'm off the tripod here, and you can see that what this is one of those splash shields that goes underneath the car. It goes in with those, those clips and some screws. And I believe in keeping these on the car. They put them on for a reason. But one of the things that was super irritating was right here. This used to be an area where it used to come out like this and curve in like that. And as you can see, I'm going to take you in real close. I'm off the tripod, guys. Take you in real close so you can see. As you can see, I just took like a drill and I drilled it and just kind of tore it off. Just a little section, just a couple of inches. And the reason is, guys, is because right here was the transmission drain bolt. And when I would go to drain the fluid out of the transmission, I would undo the bolt and it would splash this way, hit this shield, and just go everywhere. I mean, the fluid would kind of go all over the place. It wouldn't go into the container below. And it drove me nuts. It was so irritating that literally I decided, you know what, I'm going to drop this plastic shield. I'm going to cut off like 2 inches here. And now, when I undo the drain bolt, it just goes straight down. It goes, the stream just misses the splash shield, and it goes all the way down into the drain pan or the catch pan. And so I'm able to change the transmission on the Honda. I do it about once every 50,000 miles. I do a drain and fill. But this has made it so much better. So don't be afraid, guys, to make little changes to your vehicles that really improve the repair process and maintenance process. As long as you're not doing anything major, just removing these couple of inches of material isn't a major deal, and it really has made a big difference. One other thing I've seen guys that sometimes you'll have a splash shield like this that covers your drain bolt for your oil pan. And in those situations, instead of dropping, I know on the new Kia Sorentos, they have a splash shield that you have to remove for every single oil change you do. In that situation, I think it's worth cutting a small square or a small access panel where you can get in and just get to that drain bolt every single time. So I would say, guys, these little things really make a big difference when you're doing maintenance on your vehicles. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you, share the concept with you, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.